Hello and welcome back to my channel. As a new data scientist, you know that your path begins with programming languages you need to learn. Among all languages that you can select from, Python is the most popular language for all data scientists. In this video, I will cover 5 reasons behind Python's popularity that will help you to understand why programmers love it. But before starting the video, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive every new video update. Python is one of the easiest languages to start your journey. Also, its simplicity does not limit your functional possibilities. What gives Python such flexibility? There are multiple factors. Python is a free and open source language. This is a high-level programming. Python is interpreted. It has an enormous community. In addition, Python is fast in writing. Just compare these two examples written in Java and Python. This quick example shows how you can benefit from Python. Rather than type 3 code lines, you need to write one only. Just imagine how much time you can save with more complicated tasks. Python is a programming language that scales very fast. Among all available languages, Python is a leader in scaling. That means that Python has more and more possibilities. Any problem can be decided easily with new updates that are coming. Saying that Python provides the best options for newbies because there are many ways to decide the same issue. Even if you have a team of non-Python programmers who know C++ design patterns, Python will be better for them in terms of time needed to develop and verify code correctness. It happens fast because you don't spend your time to find memory leaks, work for compilation or segmentation faults. Due to its popularity, Python has hundreds of different libraries and frameworks, which is a great addition to your development process. They save a lot of manual time and can easily replace the whole solution. As a data scientist, you will find that many of these libraries will be focused on data analytics and machine learning. Also, there is a huge support for big data. I suppose there should be a strong pro why you need to learn Python as your first language. Some of these libraries are Pandas. It is great for data analysis and data handling. Pandas provides data manipulation control. NumPy. NumPy is a free library for numerical computing. It provides high-level math functions along with data manipulations. SciPy. This library is related to scientific and technical computing. SciPy can be used for data optimization and modification, algebra, special functions, etc. Web development. To make your development process as easy as it is possible, only learn Python. There are a lot of Django and Flask libraries and frameworks that make your coding productive and speed up your work. If you compare PHP and Python, you can find that the same task can be created within a few hours of code via PHP. But with Python, it will take only a few minutes. Here are Python's full-stack frameworks for web development. Django, Pyramid, Web2py, Turbo Gears. And here are Python's micro-frameworks for web development. Flask, Bottle, CherryPy, Hug. Huge community. As I have mentioned before, Python has a powerful community. You might think that it shouldn't be one of the main reasons why you need to select Python. But the truth is vice versa. If you don't get support from other specialists, your learning path can be difficult. That's why you should know that this won't happen with your Python learning journey. Python is a base for any data scientist. There are many reasons to select this powerful programming language, so it's up to you which reason will be main. You should definitely consider Python due to its possibilities and ongoing improvement, which will help you to build amazing products and help businesses. Do you guys have any question in your mind? Do not hesitate to ask your queries in comments section. I will try to answer each of your queries. Stay tuned for more upcoming and new videos. Until the next time, goodbye.